let's take a look at, this is race number 4, last race on Saturday, 14 knots, 3:30 start. Let's look over here on the wind at 3:30ish, still showing a little bit higher. And then this is, let's see, what do we have here? This is, should be at the airport, showing this. This is the sail flow for the airport. Actually, let's double check that. Back here a little bit. Yeah, no, it's yeah. So again, just you know, pretty solid. Should be pretty consistent here. Let's go take a look now at the finishes. What do we have? Variat got a 3rd, Superior 1 got a 4, Superior 2 18. Pinta was over. They got a U flag, so we won't have any of their stuff to take a look at. And then Progress here had a 48. U flag, Pinta down here. Yeah, so let's go over and take a look. All right. We got our start time. It's going to be right 11:35, right there. Bam. All right, we'll go ahead and play this out. Let's back up a little bit. It looked like the pin-in was favored on this start. I think Pinta was actually just below our bow. They're down, yep, under sub 1. All right, let's play this one out. What do we see here? Maybe a little lefty. Yeah, a little bit of a left trend here. Turn, a little bit of a left turn here. Just a little bit of left on the first half of the upwind leg. It's amazing when you can just do 2 tacks up the majority of the beat. You know, tacks take a couple boat lengths away and makes it very difficult. And then obviously overstaying out here just kills you in the back of the fleet. Unfortunately, didn't have much of a choice there. Rounded in first, I think we did on this race. Slow it down here, coming in a leeward mark. Let's see what we end up taking here. You know, so one of the things we should talk about here, what happens is, you know, we ended up being thin on the ley line. So we're going here 10 knots, 10, 8, 9, 7. So up in here, normal mode, you're at about 9.5 to 10 knots, and then we don't make it, so we have to go slow. Now we're doing 7, 6.5, 5. You lost a lot of distance in here compared to odd. A little bit of a lefty coming back up for Superior. The odds probably ahead right now. Protecting the right-hand side later in the afternoon here seemed to be okay. Very consistent. Not much happening there. A little lefty at the top, maybe. A little bit. Not much. Pretty consistent. Just get us here at the end. Be interesting to look at the data to see how much faster they were down this leg than we were. All right, let's pause this and let's look at the data. All right, so let's look at that downwind leg, sup 1, 10.67, odd 10.97 at a 2.984 to 2.96. So just a little bit faster, not quite a half a knot, 3/4 of a knot faster down that leg. Let's look upwind. Sup, we were first around the mark at 5.71. 565, so we're the fastest and sailed 2.82, 2.88, 2.81. So we sailed quite nicely here to 5.7 on average. Downwind, 10.4, 9, 10.3. So again, got to work on a little bit of boat speed both here and here. Got to go a little bit faster. 16 versus 19, 2.9 versus 2.9, 3 versus 3. A little bit harder with traffic. Okay,